This quick and flavorful Thai microwave egg omelet takes just 10 minutes to prepare and serves 2 people. Bursting with authentic Thai herbs, spicy chili, and savory fish and soy sauces, this fluffy omelet is a perfect hearty breakfast or satisfying snack. Its vibrant flavors and easy microwave method make it an irresistible dish that's both delicious and hassle-free. Get ready to enjoy a taste of Thailand right in your own kitchen. Let's now check the ingredients. 2 eggs, 1 tablespoon fish sauce, 1 teaspoon chopped Thai chili in oil, 1 tablespoon chopped fresh cilantro, 1 teaspoon soy sauce, 1/4 teaspoon white pepper. Optional, sliced green onions for garnish. Now we'll begin preparing the recipe by cracking 2 eggs into a microwave-safe bowl. Add fish sauce, soy sauce, chopped Thai chili, and white pepper to the eggs. Whisk the mixture well until all ingredients are fully combined. Speed the mixture into the microwave and cook on high for 1 to 2 minutes, or until the eggs are just set. Remove the bowl from the microwave carefully and stir the eggs gently. Sprinkle chopped cilantro over the top of the eggs for flavor and color. Microwave again for another 30 to 45 seconds until fully cooked and fluffy. Remove the bowl from the microwave and let it sit for a moment to cool slightly. Garnish with sliced green onions if desired and serve immediately. Now enjoy this incredible Thai microwave egg omelet with your friends and family. Thanks for trying this tasty dish.